Daniel, wave. The people are asking for you.
I'm pooped. Hello YouTube, how are we today? It's a new day. It's not the day that I told you it was going to be. I ended up not being able to get concrete on that day. So today is the next day after the day that I told you it was going to be. So today we got a lot going on up here actually. We're pouring concrete for our columns that we did. I've got Daniel, and he's got a helper here to help him start laying out the block for all of that. Actually, he's got two helpers here. I think his son's here too, so I think I'm going to put his son to work and have him help me start cleaning some stuff up. I've got the Jays are coming. The Jays are going to be back. They are going to be doing some framing stuff for me that I just don't have time to do. What else? Oh, I went shopping, and I don't know if you've seen it so far behind me, but I'm getting ready to show it to you. Went and did a little shopping this morning for the farm, and we have an overhead door being installed today, so we got a lot going on up here today. It's beautiful weather this week in Oklahoma. It's we had a cold front come through, so it's only been getting into the low 90s versus the low 100s we had the week before, and what we've got coming next week, mid to high 90s is next week. So we're taking advantage of the weather this week and enjoying it. So let's get some stuff done today, I hope. And we will, what are we going to do first? We're waiting on concrete now. You're going to see pictures or video of Daniel kind of prepping the columns, what all is going to go into that. You're going to see me unload the new stuff that I bought today. And you're going to see the Jays do some framing, and then we'll show you what they're doing on the garage door, or overhead door. So let's show you what I bought first.
So we did a little shopping today and bought us a couple of IBC totes. We have just a local supplier here that's really only like 10 miles away. So we bought a couple of 275-gallon totes. As you can see, I've already got water in one of them filled up, and that'll be for Daniel's use while he's laying all the CMU or concrete block for the columns. So, and then for his rock work and everything, that ought to be enough water for him to do what he's got to do here. So we are also integrating these into the building, but that's for another video, and we need a couple more, and I'm getting some more cages. Those are all other videos that I really want to talk about, but today's not the day. So just wanted to show you these, tell you what size they were. They're the 275 gallon, and then we will get these unloaded. But first, I got to take the grapple off of the tractor, so we are going to do that now.
breeze singing, c'est la vie. It feels just right. It's a brand new day. I can hardly wait. So for goodness sake, I think it's time. Yeah. Let's tell the world about it. Help spread a little light. It all comes back around. It feels so good to be alive. Up hills and over mountains, they'll know it far and wide. It all comes back around. It feels so good to be alive.
So what you guys just saw there was 4,000 PSI concrete being poured out. We took all the fly ash out of it, and we did all that, and we actually poured with high early strength. We did all that so we could put blocks on it tomorrow. And you might have seen, it was pretty thick. We poured it with a 6 slump. We didn't want a lot of water in it because we wanted it to dry and set up fast. So that's what all that was. It's really good concrete. So good, in fact, that Duke decided he would run through it. So I'm wet because I just got done giving my dog a bath on a job site, getting all that dried concrete out of his hair, which was fantastic. So let's go see what Daniel is up to now. Actually, this isn't Daniel, this is Lupe.
So we need our columns to be 12 by 12. And we're getting there with an 8-inch block and then a 4-inch block, which gives us 12. But one end's got to be cut to give us that other 12. So that's what Lupe's doing to every single block that gets laid on these columns.
So there you have it. They'll be cutting those the rest of today, and then they'll probably go ahead and lay out for for square and all that kind of stuff with some string lines, so that whenever they get here tomorrow, they can literally just start laying blocks. So next thing we're gonna check on is the boys framing.
So we are gonna put sheet metal, the outside barn black metal, all the way across this wall right here. And this is the wall separating the stables and the wood shop from the warehouse. We need this wall to not only be secure so that nobody can get in here, but also this area for the wood shop is going to be climate controlled. So we have to not only worry about security, we have to worry about sealing everything off. So as you can see, this wall goes right through it, but the trusses that are on 2-foot centers don't land quite in line with the wall. So we ended up having to build another little wall. Focus. We ended up having to build another little wall, or really just kind of a place to fur out right there, so that the metal, when laid from the floor, can literally slide all the way up in there. All the way up to the bottom of the roof deck, so that everything can be sealed up. So we did that on both sides. Right now the guys are setting a post in the wood shop to get it out of the way and over with. And Lupe is cutting all those blocks. Daniel, myself, and Isaac are going to be cleaning. And the overhead door guys just finished up. So we just went with it's a 12 by 14 steel door. High lift door, obviously. You can see the strut that's mounted to the rafters, or the trusses rather, coming down, holding it open at the end. And then we ended up going with a side mounted opener, which is a much better opener. But we originally wanted back here, but they talked me out of it at Superior, said it would basically be the same cost by the time they put on the high track and what they needed to do. So that's what we went with. So they're finishing up. They had their generator out and tested it. Here's our button to open it from the inside. And here's our pull string to disengage the motor so we can operate it manually.
And yeah, so progress. Well, I think I'm going to let you watch me clean up, because we got a lot of work to do. So I'm gonna put this down and get after the cleaning. I'm pooped. That's it for today. Yesterday I did bleachers in the morning. Played softball till late last night. I'm just tired. So it is 5:15 and I am gonna head home. But before I do, I want to show you how good of a cleaning job I did today. Believe it or not, this is really clean, really picked up. Not really. But what is really clean and extremely organized, and my dad will be like, what the crap, who is this person, is this area right here. Looky here. All nice and pretty and clean. My metal is all stacked over here, organized. Anything over 6 feet's there. Anything under 6 feet is there. Anything under 3 feet's here. All edge cut, angle cut metals there. All sliver pieces are here. Trim pieces.
charcoal. We just got it all
organized, and I've swept this whole floor, and Daniel's been helping me pick stuff up.
He's getting to ride the tractor,
And that tractor has air conditioning, and I'm just letting him play with it, and I'm sweeping and picking up metal, and he's loving life right now. So anyways, I think we're gonna call that a day. You saw us get the columns done. The metal guys are here getting some more trim done. Oh, what you haven't seen is all these thresholds are in for the doors. The Jays did all those thresholds. Let's see here. Let me show you one other thing the Jays did. The Jays set this last column right here today that had a temporary leg. I don't know if any of you will remember that or not, but we went ahead and put in the permanent post. And yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna get the rest of this cleaned up, get the outside cleaned up, get some block laid. You'll see all that. And today, that's a wrap. So until tomorrow, we'll see you next time up on the ridge.
there she be in all her glory. Oh wow, look at me. A garage door, a big overhead door. That's exciting. Woohoo! Hey, come on. You ready to go by? You tired? I'm tired. Let's go by. Hey, come here.